CARB's Clean Truck Check legislation requires any non-gasoline, heavy-duty vehicle that operates in California to pass routine emissions inspections via an approved application like Noregon's Truck Checkup. While there are some obvious signs that a truck will fail the inspection, such as a check engine light, others aren't as clear without first performing a J-Pro diagnostic scan. First, look at the roll call feature on the left side of the main screen. Ensure the vehicle's engine is a model that is regulated under CARB's requirements. Second, go through active faults and follow the troubleshooting procedures in fault guidance. Many issues require a verification step before the issue can be resolved, such as completing a warm-up cycle or running a forced regen. If you need to clear a fault and fault guidance lists a verification step, you must follow it. CARB will return a failed result due to the vehicle not ready if the criteria has not been met. This is critical as we see 15% of failed inspections are due to the vehicle not being ready. If a warm-up cycle is required, verify the cycle has been completed before attempting a CARB inspection. For more information about how you can remain CARB compliant for California-bound vehicles, visit us at Noregon.com. And remember, every truck, every time.